fire at the West Shore Yacht Club in Tampa. A 100-foot yacht up in flames. A viewer sent us these pictures. Tampa Fire Rescue tells us that fire was in the engine room of the yacht. There were no injuries. And at this point, we don't know the extent of the damage. The viewer who sent us these, David Gordon, says he saw smoke billowing from the yacht.
Yeah, you can go right over. Patch here. Okay. Y'all mask up and get ready. There's a room. We got the room. We got a front door. Alright, you guys got a mask up? Tap.
You guys watch out. They're gonna spread that hose over here. Yeah. Back that door.
Not my boat, I'm just the captain of the captain. Funny boat.
Door right here, Johnny.
By the time I turned there, it started coming out again. It wasn't coming up the starboard side, so I turned the end there.
First, I know all it was is battery fire on that other dock. Scared me really bad. I was reading inside and these really loud sirens went off and this is what I watched. Flames. Oh my God. Could you imagine? You have any idea what's...
Came in and they put out the fire at the point of entry, the point at where it originated. But what you don't know when you put the fire engine room, you don't see any smoke coming back from there.
It's so scary. Look, now it's the whole boat is totaled.
Yeah, the boat is completely totaled at this point. But see, you still have flames in the back.
I can't imagine how they would leave a...
Okay, so now it's getting more dangerous. You got that.
all on video.
Yeah, you see the fire right there?
Oh yes, I do. That's new. Yeah, I can see that. They're really not getting it out
That
though.
flame is not doing well.
It's not in a good spot.
It's getting bigger.
It's not a good spot. Look at the fuel engine's intakes are on the sides.
It's wide open towards the aft, so they gotta be able to see those flames.
The fuel engine intakes are on the sides. That looks like it's on the side.
You can see movement. They have one guy coming up the front.
There's one guy right there, like right at the fire. I just saw his mask.
It's on the boat, or did it spread to the dock?
It's on the boat. No, that guy just got that one. It looks basically out by now. Oh, there's so much smoke though. Where is it all coming from?
No, they had rugs and stuff laying down there where they had all the equipment.
The subject of